What's happening, you guys? Welcome back to another episode of Style Survival Guide. My name is Aaron. This is Jeremy Reed. Today we're talking about product care. We're talking about clothing care, really.
Yeah, clothing care, guys. So we've been talking about this all month long. 30 ways to upgrade your, 30 days to upgrade your style in 30 different ways. Yep. Today, it's something. It's not about buy this or get that or anything. It's you already have this stuff. Take care of it.
Yep.
Right? And so what we're going to do is we're going to go over some basic, easy stuff. Let's just start, since we were going to come down here to the table. We kind of got an outfit laid out here.
Yep.
Sports jackets, guys. Usually made with wool, right?
Usually.
Do not machine wash them.
Yeah, don't do it.
Right?
Oh my gosh.
So that's the first and obvious thing, right?
Yeah.
And we got this here, but I'm gonna start flipping in here and getting some tags, right? You go ahead and how do you clean ties?
So interestingly enough, the way I like to wash my ties, and this is controversial, but the way I like to do it, I actually machine wash my ties.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
And then iron them post haste.
Yep. So you get like the shoe bags that you put your sneakers in when you machine wash your sneakers.
Yeah, sure.
Throw them in there, put it on cold, delicate wash, and then lay them out to dry on a towel overnight, and then you come back and press them out.
Right. So a lot of folks will say that you don't wash them, you dry clean them only, things like that, because they're silk, and then it'll mess up the lining on the inside of some ties.
I've never had that happen.
Anyways, if you ever have any doubt, this is the answer, right?
Yeah.
So this jacket, as you saw, I just tore it apart. I think I got camera over here to my right, your left. There's a tag here. It's going to tell you what it's made of, first of all. This has got a wool lane and a polyester, 60-40 split. And then they got, a cross through, which looks like a wash tub.
Yep.
And then it has a little iron on there. And I don't know what the circle means, actually. That's a new one. So you check these things out, and I will tell you, usually you can flip them over, all these tags, and every piece of clothing, every fabric that you've ever bought has to have one of these tags on it. It is actually a mandate that you have to have these on there. Yep. This one here, it clearly has a washing for 30, so
30 degrees.
Yep. I'm guessing that's the dry clean only. It means the circle means dry clean only.
Yeah, I'm pretty sure.
Yeah, because that's the top thing, dry clean only. So the point is if you ever have a question, find this tag. Mm-hmm. It will tell you right on here. So dry clean only, low moisture, utility press. Those are the key components there. My rule of thumb is this, guys. Wash your clothes on cold if you're going to wash them.
Always.
We're not in the 1950s. You don't have to wash them on hot. Don't bleach your stuff, right? Yeah. We're not bleaching anything. I mean, what are you doing in them that you need them bleached for?
Yeah,
Stop it. Iron them when they need to be ironed. Most of the stuff that we're wearing is
it's all pretty much non-iron at
this point. And sometimes you will get a little wrinkle in them, so it's a cold iron. Yep. I like to, and we'll go over this completely in a video, but I like to iron my stuff inside out.
Okay. That's interesting.
At least if I got a lot of wrinkles in it, I'll do everything inside out, get it kind of flattened out, and then do my final creases afterwards. Yep. Just in case there's any residue on the iron, anything like that. I don't want to burn it. Don't want to mess up the outside look of it. Yep. Right?
Yep.
Shoe care, moisturize,
we talked
condition
about that. Check out the podcast.
Check out the podcast. We got videos on shoes. Basic thing is, guys, and I mean, as I said, I'm just going to go right here. This shirt here is actually funny. That's the reason I'm going to go if I can find it. Is this the one? Right? So some of them will do something kind of funny on these, and this is a Stan shirt. I knew what it was. So this is from a finely woven 100% cotton. You always have your back, but be sure to take care of me so I can keep you looking sharp. I prefer to be dry clean, but at least machine wash me in cold water on gentle cycle. Do not tumble dry. Iron when needed. So some companies will go right out and do like something pretty fun, right?
Yeah.
Read the tags, fellas.
Read your tags.
It's simple, easy. Take care of your products. Hang them when you can. Press them when you wear them. Yep. It's really basic, remedial stuff, but it really will make you look a lot better, right?
If you have any question or have any doubt or whatever, you can reach out to us if you want to, or go to your local dry cleaners. They will. Yeah. They know how to take care of it.
They can take care of it.
Yeah. Cool.
All right. Good for me. We'll see you again tomorrow, guys.
Thanks for joining us for another style tip. We'll see you tomorrow.